So we're finally here at the drop-in stage. So what we did was swap out this tranny. We've got a good 5-speed tranny which we reconditioned, degreased, and then went ahead and painted the case in this aluminum silver color. We also went ahead and took the opportunity to refinish the valve cover here. Pulled it out, sanded it down, sheened the Saab logo, and pretty much did an overall overhaul of this power plant here. Replaced a lot of the seals. This way it doesn't leak. And we're about to drop it at this point. And I think tomorrow take me about 4 hours to connect everything. And we should take it out for a test spin.